A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for Central Webster County. At 7:55 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fordland, or 11 miles south of Marshfield, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Rogersville, Seymour, Fordland, and Diggins. Precautionary/preparedness actions: for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust less than 50 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.